So I used some eyeshadows that I received from Ooooo. I used some, listen, this Ciate glitter lip, yeah, I've wanted it for about 2 years, and I got it for free, and I've reviewed it, and I love it. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvie or Sylvia from Asamimua Beauty. How is everybody doing today? I hope you're doing good today. If you want to continue to watch to see how I did this look, feel free to continue watching. But before you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a little comment, just to, you know, encouragement, a little bit of encouragement these days won't go amiss, you know what I'm saying? But how are you guys? How is everyone doing? I know in the UK we're still in tier 4. Apparently we'll be coming out soon. I don't know what I think about that, because I feel like we've been here before, but it is what it is. Let's just be optimistic. I did this look using products that I sell on a new e-commerce social media type of like platform called Ooooo. So feel free to copy me there, follow me there. It's a new platform, brand new. It's gonna get big, guys. I'm just telling you that from now, so you better get on board now, okay? Look, oh gosh, I'm gonna have to go like this. I don't know if you could, look at these lovely, stunning colors. This was from from the Bella Peer. This is Bella Peer's Cosmetics, and it's their 9-stack shimmer eyeshadow delicacy, should I say, because it's delicious. That's what I've got on my eyes, but then I use a little bit of it for my highlight, because I thought, surely I can use some of these colors for highlight, so I use it for highlight as well. Also, I have on the delicious Akita Joel lashes, the magnetic ones. I have the Sarah 02 style on. Sarah 02, yeah, Sarah 02. Very easy to put on. I think I put one lash on in the video, or both of them, I think. Yeah, both of them. I put both of them on. It's very, very easy, guys. It's the reason why I really enjoy putting these type of lashes on, or magnetic lashes, which I've never used before, is because I use the same technique when I'm putting on normal lashes. I put the glue on my lash line, and then I put the lash to the glue. And it's so much easier that way. And this is exactly the technique that you have to use to put these on. And that's why I really like it. I just fell into it, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah, guys, I'm going to leave you. So stay blessed, take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye. Hi, guys. So let's start. I used the HD Makeup Primer by Bella Peer. And I must say, I do love this primer. It's silicone based, and it's not... You know, sometimes it can feel dry and a bit chalky. Nah, it smooths out everything. It smooths out your pores. It's beautiful. I do really love it. And it's yeah, it just it smooths out your pores. It gives you a very nice mattified finish, and I love it. Then I used my Milani concealer. Forgot the color, should be in the description box. And I used that for my underpainting. Then I used my Makeup Revolution C14 for my concealer. I felt it was a little bit, I feel like I've gone a little bit darker, you know, because it wasn't as dark as it usually is. It done the dust, it was fine. I think I actually added my, yeah, I think I did. In the end, I used my, I forgot what it's called now. How can I forget? The main concealer I used to use all of LA Gear, that's it. In Mahogany, you're going to see me add a little bit of that, I think, because I just felt like it wasn't as prominent or as dark as it would usually be. So yeah, I feel like I'm getting a bit darker. I don't know why I've gone with that, because it's not as if the sun's been out or nothing like that. We've had 2 days of sun in the last week, and that's been it. Yeah, you see, so I add a little bit of that Mahogany LA Gear concealer just to make it a small bit darker, as you can see. And I just blend everything out. Now you guys know I've been using the underpainting technique for at least 25 videos now. It's just easier. You don't have to be so precise, and it does the job, guys. It just does the job, you know what I'm saying? Then I used I think I used Deep Brown Burberry's Cashmere foundation, and it's quite red. It's I keep on saying my face is a different undertone than my skin, and it's like it interchanges. I don't know, but it's what it is. But yeah, once I blended it out, it's fine. I did notice I didn't blend under my chin as well as or to the side of my jaw. I didn't, so I do know that. But the video's done now. I've done this video about 2 weeks ago. I'm only now editing it because I've just been like, I've had so much to do. Mental health is real. You know, when things come up from your past and you think you've dealt with it and you haven't, but it's good. I'm in a good place now. And here's a bit of an interlude to show ya. Please don't forget, try not to love no one. Try not to love no one. Yeah. That Jasmine Sullivan album is serious, I'm telling you. But anyway, then as per usual, guys, I went in and set everything with my different corresponding shades of powder by Revolution Pro. All of the details will be in the description box. But yeah, guys, as I was saying, yeah, my mind has been everywhere this last few months, or last month, should I say. But yes, guys, one thing I'll say to you, if you've got things in your mind or things start coming up from your past and you didn't realize that you haven't dealt with it, try to speak to somebody, someone that you can trust, someone that will hear you out, someone that will, you know, not judge you or anything like that. I thank God, because obviously I'm training to be a sex therapist, so I've got my own counselor. But I had a counselor before, a therapist before, so I've always had a therapist, to be fair, from when I started my first counselling course. So yeah, I always advise to find somebody who can help you just think through your mind, talk through what's in your mind, talk through any past experience that might not have been dealt with, and take it from there. So guys, I used my Maybelline lipstick because I didn't have any other red, because I dyed my hair, for my eyebrows, and yeah, that's what I did. And then yeah, as you can see, I'm just shipping it. Yeah, so I'm just carving it out there, as you can see. But yeah, as I was saying, guys, if you have anything in your mind, or if anything just triggers you, a whole load of things came up this month for me, to be fair. To start off with, it was obviously the Meghan Markle debacle, and the onslaught of like abuse that she got for speaking her truth, and obviously being of a African heritage, I can kind of relate to certain things that she has said. And then just to think that what she was talking about is what's actually being questioned is absolutely absurd. So when she's talking about feeling racially discriminated, and then that is being questioned, that is the actual source of being racially discriminated against, being not believed and stuff like that. Do you know what I mean? So there was that. And then obviously, because I do sex therapy, there was a few different courses or modules that kind of triggered me as well, because yeah, it just triggered me, I'm not gonna lie to you. But yeah, no, it's I'm happy. I'm in a much better place because I've kind of had to deal with some things. My friend's anniversary of her death was like last week as well, so that kind of triggered me, guys. So I used a new shimmery, I forgot what it's called, it's going to be in the description box. It's another thing from Ooooo, basically. It's from Pallette. It's like it's a glow highlighting. You could use it for, I use it for highlighter / blush. Then I went in with my Guilty highlighters, because I love it, and I love the way they mesh together as well. Yeah, so what was I talking about before that? I'm trying to do, then I went in with the Pallette 9. Oh my god, look, and hold on, put it in the wrong bloody place.
Why did you do that? Get up and do it like that. wow. Di ba click mo? Nice. I was gonna go to Sainsbury's and buy click mo. I'm that person.
Sorry guys, I just did not know how to do the sub properly, as you can see, But anywho, see, I told you at the side I kind of did a bit of didn't blend properly. But anyway, I just used the gold, I think it was initially. I tried to do a swatch for you guys. I'm so sorry, it just looked so ghetto, but I tried, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I initially went in with the gold in the palette, or in the shimmery stack. Then I used, I think, the black to smoke out the under eye a little bit. And then I think I went in with I used a bit for highlighter again. And then yeah, I used the holographic color to open up my tear ducts just a little bit. And then I went in with the Keto Joel lashes. I think I used model 002. It's the magnetic lashes. And guys, as you know, you can still get 30% off if you use my code Asamimua Beauty. All the details will be in the description box. But look how quick and easy it was for me to actually put them on. Look at this, look. And like I was saying in the intro, I do enjoy using these types of lashes because it's already the technique I used to put on normal lashes, so it was really easy for me to put on. So you'd literally just put the liner on. It looks like eyeliner anyway. It's the glue, well, it's a magnetic glue, the magnetic strip, should I say, and you just click it into place. Bob's your uncle. That was it. Then I used my Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home eyeshadow mascara. Then I used Everyday Vacay. It's a shimmery thingy by is it by Ciate? Yeah, and this is the glitter lip. I used it in Whisper. It is just phenomenal. So you put it on, you let it dry for about 1 to 2 minutes. Look, I was going to do it, and then you press your lips together, and guys, look at the glitter that came through. Can you see that? And I'm so sorry about my light, guys. I decided to use natural light, and it kept on going in and out of brightness. I'm so sorry about that. I just decided not to use any light because it was quite bright that day. And obviously, guys, you know that I always have to line my lips, so I had to line my lips. So I used my I think it was just my brown from the coconut shade, and that was it. Coconut palette, should I say. That was it, guys. That was the finished look. It was very quick, very simple, very easy. Sorry that the one side wasn't blended as well, but you get the gist. Public announcement. Oh, hi there. How's it going? Just for you come and have a look at my face, eh? My face undecorated and then decorated, and then you haven't subscribed. I mean, come on. How long are we gonna be in this quandary of you coming every time I've uploaded? You come. Coming is not a problem, but just to click that subscribe, there's a problem, and I have to keep on doing these public service announcements. Why? Come on, just do it now. I mean, we're grown. We're too grown for this. Press it now, okay? Thank you. I know. It wasn't that hard, was it? It wasn't. It didn't. The end of the world didn't come, did it? You're still here. I'm still here. You can see me eyeball to eyeball, isn't it? Okay, good. That's all that matters. All right. I'll see you in my next video then. Okay. Press the notifications as well while you're there. Okay. Press it. You done it? Good. So you'll know anytime I've uploaded again. Okay. Okay, see you soon. Take care. Okay, bye-bye. So guys, that is it. Guys, like I said, if you're feeling down, if you're feeling like something is troubling, please get help. Please speak to someone. We all care. We all love you. Speak soon. Take care. Be blessed. Bye.